Hey y'all, it's Rachel here. Welcome back to another video. We have been putting so many miles on the 2022 Hyundai Elantra, going back and forth between my brother's football game and me traveling. We just put 4,800 miles on it, so you know what time it is. But it's not like the last video where we just did a regular oil change. No, y'all had something to say. So we're gonna have the proper equipment. First things first, Tyvek suit. Look away. Gosh. I'm gonna look mighty cute in this. Yeah. Now I'm not exposed to all those hazardous materials. And of course, we wouldn't want any of that motor oil to touch my skin. Phalanges. Let's glove it up. Hello, my pretties. For all my females out there, this is probably the most mandatory step of it all. That hair, it's gotta go up. But it can't just go up in any way. It's gotta be fashionable, right? So grab your claw clip. Cute. And of course, we wouldn't want to get anything in our eyes or breathe in any of the toxic fumes. So we got this bad boy. Ready? Oh boy. Oh. Oh.
Can you hear me now? You are straight up in my mouth hole right here. And the glasses are farther up. Great.
I thought putting the mic in there was a bit extreme, so we're gonna put it right there. Can you hear me? Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Is this what you guys wanted? Because it's not really working out right now. Found replacement gloves, even better. I not only have one, I have two. Y'all, it's time. Mask on.
Oh boy. Oh my god. Please. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm stuck. Holy guac. Oh, I can't breathe. There's no room. Help. Help. Ow! Ow! Dad, my hair's stuck. I think we need to scrap that idea and just go with what I normally do. Yeah, I think I might have gotten stuck under there and probably just died. I'm gonna ditch the mask and go with some regular old safety goggles. That'll do the trick. I gotta get under. We're doing the crab walk today. So in the last oil change video, I was in a little bit of a rush, and we kind of are today, but we have a little bit more time. So we found the handy dandy Allen wrench, and remember last time when I just unscrewed the oil filter cover? This time we have the Allen wrench and the drain plug, which fits perfectly in here. So that is what we're gonna use today. It's a little different, right? This is probably the hardest part of the whole thing. He's getting under here. I feel like a flippin' Dorothy underneath the house. She's like this. We are officially under the car. I'm going to line this up perfectly so that the oil can drain. We're gonna unscrew, and that should be it. We're gonna use the Allen wrench right there. Gotta get the handy dandy glove. It's already leaking. Oh no. Ta-da! Got her! She draining. We found a cheat code, so we're gonna use the end of the Allen wrench and put the new drain plug in. Pretty cool, huh? So it's pretty much done draining. Lovely. Cheat code. Oh, this is so easy. Much easier than using my hands. Ah! Next steps. Done. Can we just look at the oil that has appeared on my face? Lovely. These glasses did nothing. All right, let's tighten this up. Here we go. Perfect. All right, that's as tight as it's gonna go. Let's take the cover off, just like that. Grab your handy dandy glove, help it along. There we go. Thanks, Dad. Yay. So just like the other oil change video, we filled it with oil. So fill the filter with oil, right?
Yep.
And now we're going to carefully not drop it like the last time. Drop it like it's hot. We're just going to screw this right on into place. And if you watched the other video, you would know that we pre-fill the filter with oil. And that's just something that my dad likes to do. So we're going to make sure this is nice and tight.
Just basic, you know?
All right. Perfect. Oh, good. Okay.
2 nights of gloves.
Oh, I guess I got to put my glove back on. Oh, gosh. It's all for y'all. All right. Woo! Look
Hey,
at
look,
that
look, look,
drain.
look, look.
It stopped draining. We got everything brand new, nice and clean. Time to put it all back. Let's do it. Who needs gloves? Not me. Use your
You
good
realize-
old phalange. Let's crank this up. Use that woman's strength. That's all I got. Woman's strength. So I think I'm gonna take the suit off because I'm only pouring oil and washer fluid. So yeah, it's gotta go. I am cooking, man. Oh boy.
Every time we get on the house,
Stupid suit! Suit is really getting on my nerves. It is time to fill up the oil, but first we need the oil, and then pop this bad boy off here. Open sesame! Nah! I got it. With willpower! And also, I need a funnel. Thank you. What's this from? A bottle?
No, that's an OEM 2022
Yeah.
Hyundai Elantra
Uh-huh. Cool.
SEL funnel.
Yeah, that looks like my bottle from inside of my room. Fill it up with
That's
the
original equipment.
full synthetic oil. Yeah. Okay, I'm running out of oil, Dad, and it's not
I
full.
only gave you 3 quarts.
Why? Why'd you do that to me?
Now we
Come
want
on
to
now.
to the floor.
While Dad gets some more oil. Dance break. Oh, you know what we're gonna have to do in the next video? Get rid of them bugs. I can't have my Hyundai Elantra looking like that. Oh my gosh! Does anyone want to see me wash the car? Oh, I think we need a car wash video. Got the rest of my oil? Finally.
You gotta speed up on the next
Yeah, Dad. You're supposed to be my assistant. Come on now.
choice.
The oil
don't
is
know.
in. Also, guys, we're gonna add some STP treatment into the oil as well. We're only gonna add a few ounces here. Dad doesn't like to use the whole bottle, so here we go. You tell me when. And let's check the oil and make sure we're all good. We're gonna take it out just like this, wipe it right off. Perfect, put it right back in. And then, here we go. Show y'all.
Stop that.
Good?
It's fine.
Great.
It's
Wonderful.
within the 2022 OEM.
Awesome. And the very last thing we're gonna do is wipe down and add some more windshield washer fluid so that our road trip goes smoothly. Dad made, in the last video, the handy dandy jig as well. Wow.
I don't think it'll cross over to many other cars. So did you tell them about our windshield?
Whenever we do any type of maintenance is to take your baby wipes, greatest tool ever, slam those on the ground and make sure, oh, look at the buggies. Ew, ew, ew. Oh, he loved to join us. That was good, yeah. We're just gonna do a nice little clean, and then we're gonna clean here as well. Looks good? Great.
Was in there 10 months and there
Not
was more
bent! All right, y'all, that is one successful story and a successful oil change. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see next and make sure you subscribe. Also, watch out for that next video. Getting our oil tested is gonna be a lot of fun.